Presenting the pinnacle of mobile luxury, the 2026 Prevost Liberty Motorhome. This floating castle's aerodynamic, streamlined shape and huge panoramic windows create a powerful impact. Its foundation is the well-known Prevost chassis, which is well known for its durability, robustness, and incredibly smooth ride. A potent Volvo D13 engine and Allison transmission, which deliver the type of performance and dependability you would anticipate from a car of that size, support that elegant appearance. Thanks to the integrated Prevost platform design that ensures a comfortable ride and the triple slide-out sections that double the internal capacity at the touch of a button, this coach doubles as a very roomy living area when parked. You are welcomed with an advanced and user-friendly command center as soon as you get into the cockpit. The days of having several dials and buttons are over. The dashboard is a wonder of contemporary design with its massive, integrated touchscreen display and state-of-the-art digital instrument cluster at its center. With this cutting-edge smart home management system, you have total control over the lighting, entertainment, security, and climate of your RV. The advanced safety features and high-resolution cameras that offer 360-degree view make driving both high-tech and stress-free. It is clear that the primary living space is of bespoke grade. As soon as you walk in, you are surrounded by the finest handcrafted elements, such as heated marble floors, rich, custom-made wood cabinets, and opulent, designer seats with quality leather upholstery. The design is light and inviting, with a large sitting area perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. Its top-of-the-line audio system and huge OLED smart TV are both expertly incorporated into the design. By altering the fiber optic ceiling lighting to suit the needs of each event, the space can be turned from a peaceful retreat to a busy social hub. The Master Suite is a peaceful retreat designed to encourage maximum relaxation. The main attraction is a king-sized bed with a luxurious mattress, surrounded by exquisite cabinetry and lights. There are several closets and storage areas to keep things neat. A second smart TV is well positioned for late-night enjoyment, and soundproofing ensures that you are never awakened by outside noise. This quiet retreat, which is more than just a bedroom, is a great place to unwind and recuperate after a long day of travel. The bathroom is as opulent and serene as the spa at a 5-star hotel. Having a full-sized shower with a glass enclosure and a rainfall showerhead is fantastic. The space is finished with elegant fixtures, a designer sink, and gorgeous marble or tile floors. With innovative storage solutions and adequate lighting, the space is maintained neat and pristine. A bathroom-and-a-half layout is another feature of certain versions that provides even more privacy and convenience for you and your visitors. This is not just a kitchen, it's a gourmet culinary workspace on wheels. High-end appliances that are appropriate for a home environment are installed in the kitchen. It has a full-size refrigerator and freezer, a convection oven, and an integrated induction cooktop. The counters are made of gorgeous, durable quartz or other premium solid surfaces, and the custom cabinetry provides an incredible amount of storage room for all of your supplies and cookware. You can quickly prepare anything from a quick snack to a 5-course supper in this space designed for serious cooking.